An arrest has now been made in the death of a 17-year-old in Henderson who died after overdosing on fentanyl. Eyewitness News' John Yealy with the details.
After our detectives began to investigate, evidence was found that linked Austin Jenkins, a native of Evansville, to the drug that ultimately took the life of Cash Onan. I know that our efforts will not bring Cash back, but we're hopeful that it will save another teenager's life.
HPD says Austin Jenkins was arrested and charged with distribution of narcotics, resulting in the death of Onan. The investigation, in partnership with the DEA office, began after Onan's passing in October 2022. The DEA pledged to continue its efforts fighting these dangerous narcotics, focusing on suspected dealers.
We're going to do everything we can. When we get information on who a significant drug dealer is, we're going to investigate them. We're going to collaborate with all our state, local, and federal partners to hold that person accountable.
For Onan's family, news of the arrest was unexpected. The family remembers Cash as a kind and considerate young man, despite his struggles with substance abuse.
I did go to that arraignment yesterday. A lot of prayers went into that. I didn't know. I'm not one of those that are going to stand up and point my finger at you as far as that goes. This is hard. Cash is a very good person. He just had made very bad choices.
Meanwhile, law enforcement continues to work with the community to rid the Henderson streets of fentanyl using a variety of strategies, including the distribution of Narcan.
We will not tolerate drug trafficking in our community. We will continue to vigorously investigate and arrest drug traffickers.
An amnesty law in Kentucky allows people to bring in an overdose victim for medical treatment without fear of prosecution. The Onan family urges everyone to be on the lookout for signs of use before it's too late.
Don't turn a blind eye. I urge families to tell their kids that. If you don't think your kid is the one doing the drugs, urge your children, if you know somebody that is, take them to the emergency room. Don't wait for them to find their child in a bed.
Chief McKinney says there have been 10 fentanyl-related deaths in Henderson this year. John Yealy, Eyewitness News.